Hi kindergarten friends, it's Mrs. Smith here. I'm here to show you about writing letters. So the materials that you're going to need for this is some different colors of markers, or you can use crayons, whatever you like, and you're going to need your number cards. So that's out of your war game set. So if you pull out all of the ones that have the numbers written on them, you'll need your number cards. And then this is a helpful little tool as well. It's just the number formation chart, so you can refer to that one as well. Okay, so those are the materials that you'll need. So let's get started. So when we write numbers, just like when we write letters, we always start at the top. So we're gonna start with the number 1. So always start it at the top, 1. And now on this activity, I'd like you to represent the number with dots as well. So we're gonna do 1 dot, okay? What number comes after 1? It's 2. 2 is bigger than 1, it comes next. So when we do the 2, you're gonna do a curved line, slide down diagonal, and kick out. And how many dots will you do? 1, 2. When you do this, I want you to line your dots up. You'll see as we do this activity why that's important. Okay, so I have 1, 2. What comes next? It's 3. So you can trace it first if you like, round and around, just like a bee. So let's try that. Start at the top. Round and around, just like a bee. That's how you make the number 3. Then I'm going to do my 3 dots. Okay, what comes next? 4. So down and across and down once more. Let's try that. Down and across and down once more. That's how you make the number 4. And I'm going to do my 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, what comes after 4? That's 5. Short neck, belly fat, the number 5. Wears a hat. Let's try that. So start at the top. Short neck, belly fat, the number 5. Wears a hat. And we'll do our 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and the number that's bigger than 5 is 6. So 6 is next. When you do 6, you start at the top, you curve around in a loop. Okay, so over here, start at the top, curve around in a loop. Let's do our 6 dots. 1, 2, count with me. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and the number that's 1 bigger than 6 comes after 6 is 7. Okay, so it's line across and slide down. Line across and slide down. Let's try that. Line across and slide down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do you see, if you look at your dots, you notice how each row gets longer each time? That's because each number is bigger. That's why I said it's important to line up the dots, because then you can see the visual of the number getting bigger. So I'm out of room on that page. I'm going to start on a new page. So what number comes after 7? It's 8. This is my favorite number poem. It's make an S, but do not wait. Go back up and shut the gate. Let's do that. Make an S, but do not wait. Go back up and shut the gate. And we'll do our 8 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 2 more numbers because we're going all the way up to 10. So what goes after 8? It's 9. First a circle, then a line. That's how you make the number 9. Okay, first a circle, then a line. That's how you make the number 9. And this marker is a little bit skinnier, but that's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. You want them to line up. 5, 6, 7, 8. So see, those rows are lined up. That's 8, and 9 is 1 more. So the row will be just a little bit longer. Okay, and our last number, what goes after 9? It has 2 digits. It's the number 10. There's our 10. That one has 2 digits. So we're doing a 1 and a 0. Okay, so it's a straight line down, and then a 0. You start at the top and make a 0. Okay, count the dots with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we finished that part. So if you look at all of the dots, you can see that they get bigger. Each row gets longer each time, okay? So I'll slide that so you can see the rows get longer because the number gets bigger. So once you finish writing them, you can ask yourself a few questions. So touch a number. Okay, show me a number that is smaller than the number 4. Okay, so any of these numbers are smaller because there's less dots. Okay, what's a number that's bigger than the number 4? Okay, any of these numbers are bigger than the number 4 because there's more dots. The lines are longer. Okay, and you can do that with any of the numbers. So just pick a number. So 7, show me a number less than 7. And you can point to any of these. Show me a number more than or bigger than 7. And you can point to any of these. Okay, so practice printing your numbers. Put dots beside them to represent the number. Make sure you're starting at the top for your numbers. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a good day. Bye.